What if you could transform your wildest dreams into reality using the power of AI? Forget about boring videos. This new AI creates stunning realities with incredible camera moves and catchy characters will blow your mind. Welcome to Luma.ai Dream Machine, the new freedom of imagination that can create high-quality videos from text and images and iterates at the speed of thought. This tool can create action-packed shots with consistent characters and breaking camera moves. To use this, go to google.com and search for Luma AI. This is Luma AI interface, and to use it, just click on this Try Now button here and log in with your Google account. Okay, this is Luma.ai interface. After logging to your account, there is a prompt box available here. Let's paste this prompt: a woman dressed up as a Statue of Liberty and fireworks. Let's try this as text to video prompt. And as you see, this tool adds great camera movements with a single prompt, and unlike the other competitors, the character face remains constant without any deformation. Also, there is idea box here, low angle shot of a majestic tiger falling through a snowy landscape. Let's try this and click on generate. As you see, once again, this tool did a great job and added normal movements to this tiger body. As a usual procedure for AI video generators, if we use pre-generated images, we will get better results. For this example, I use DALL-E 3 to generate this dragon image, and I use Pixel Cut to upscale this image for better results. And if you're interested how to generate these kind of images, you could access to our DALL-E video and this dragon prompt in description below. Okay, let's upload this dragon image, and I will put the prompt box empty. I will click on generate button here, and as you see, this tool adds great camera movements to this image, and after adding this prompt to this dragon image, I will get more dynamic results as you see. As you know, in this category, there are competitors like Sora, and since we have compared Hyper, Pika, and Runway in a fair competition that you can find in the description below, let's animate these 4 images using these tools and compare the results with Luma. As the first compare, as you see in the left side, this is Sora's result for this Tokyo Walk image, and Luma did a great job in adding animation to this Japanese woman. And while Sora focused on reflections, Luma.ai has more camera movements and changed the environment very well, and character face consistency is amazing in sudden moves. And while left side animated Magma Beast in the second competition that created with Runway has a slow motion animation, Luma did a great job to add physics to this Magma Beast and make this image alive. As we know from the last video, Hyper.ai is amazing to add physics to the characters, but as you see, there is deformation in this goddess face here, and Luma.ai did this perfectly with more camera movements while protecting this goddess face from deformation. And lastly, while Pika in the left side add lip movements to this mysterious African witch, Luma.ai had a great camera movement to this character as you see. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in One Click Tutorials AI adventure.